Dear students, we are handling the topic trigonometric ratios objective. Level 3 is going on. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios objective level 3. In previous class, we have completed 7 sums. 6 sum. 7th and 4 answer we got now. K is equal to 4 by putting shortcut 30 degrees. Yeah, now 8th one. 8th one. Level 3, 8th question. The greatest among the greatest among sin 1 plus cos 1 comma root sin 1 plus root cos 1 sin 1 plus cos 1 comma root sin 1 plus root cos 1 comma sin 1 minus cos 1 and 1. He is asking the greatest value. Just one meaning here, 1 radian. 1 radian meaning 57 degrees 16 minutes. Sin 60 degrees value root 3 by 2. Approximately root 3 by 2 meaning 0.866. 0.866 root how much? Here one thing you should observe, just rough. Take 1 by 2. Student, 0.866 meaning less than 1. 1 by 2 I want to discuss with you regarding 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2 value. 1 by 2 meaning 0.5. 1 by root 2 value 0.707. 1 by root 2 value. 1 by 2 whole square. What is the value of 1 by 2 whole square? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 value 0.25. What did you observe? Which is great. The root value is great. Observe. Student, 0.25 is lesser than 0.5 and 0.7. 0.5 is lesser than 0.7. So according to this condition, you can understand 1 by root 2 greater than 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 2 whole square. So in the similar way, using the same concept, you can say that root sin 1 greater than root sin 1 greater than sin 1 greater than like this. In the similar way, you can understand here cos 1 root cos 1 greater than cos 1. Later, what is asking greater than 1? Okay, add like this. Add. So whenever you are adding root sin 1 plus root cos 1, root sin 1 plus root cos 1 greater than sin 1 plus cos 1. He is asking which is great. So root sin 1 plus root cos 1 is great. According to options you see now, root sin 1 plus root cos 1. So how many, which option? Second option. Here you observe students, root value is always greater than according to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like conditions. So root value is always greater than general value and its square also. So why, sir, why you are using the term square? Sin square 1 plus cos square 1 how much? Sin square 1 plus cos 1. So it is less value here. Try to understand what I am saying. Square 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 4, 0.2. According to this condition, so root is large value. So 1 is least value. Of course, he is not discussing about least value. Greatest value meaning here like root of sin 1 plus root of cos 1. Did you do already? Oh, in given full explanation. Root sin 1 greater than like this. So directly you can say, we can say use this one also. Using this concept. Sin square 1. Sin square 1 plus cos square. Here you don't think as 1 meaning great. Sin square 1 means sin square 1 radian. 1 radian means 157 degrees 6 minutes. Not 1 degree. This is greater than 1. Of course, Suppose maybe 1. It is nothing but simply 1. Ninth one. If a sin square x plus b cos square x is equal to c. A sin square x plus b cos square x equal to c, comma b sin square y, b sin square y plus a cos square y is equal to b. B sin square y plus a cos square y equal to b, and a tan x equal to a tan x equal to b tan y. Then find the value of a square by b square. Find the value of a square by b square. Now given a sin square x plus b cos square x equal to c, divided by cos square x both sides. Divided by cos square x. Students, what is the value of sin square x by cos square x? It is tan square x, because sin x by cos x meaning tan x. A tan square x plus b is equal to c secant square x, because 1 by cos meaning secant. Now this can be understood as a tan square x plus b is equal to c into this formula, secant square formula, 1 plus tan square x. That implies a tan square x plus b is equal to c plus c tan square x. C plus c tan square x. Tan square x taken aside. So tan square x taken common this in this term and this term. That one taken this side, you can understand here this is a minus c is equal to this b taken that side, it becomes c minus b. Therefore, tan square x I am writing as c minus b by a minus c. Keep aside, put in the box, keep aside. Next, using this one, b sin square y plus a cos square. B sin square y plus a cos square y is equal to c. Similarly, use to get the tan y terms, or why you are using tan y terms are given a tan x equal to b tan. According to question only we are doing. Divide by cos square by both sides. Divide by cos square by both sides. Sin by cos becomes here tan. B tan square y plus a is equal to c into secant square y. 1 by cos meaning secant, c secant square y. Same concept used here. B tan square y plus a is equal to c into 1 plus tan square y. Next step, b tan square y plus a is equal to c plus c tan square y. That is c tan square y taken this side. You can understand b minus c into tan square y is equal to c minus a. Therefore, tan square y is equal to c minus a by b minus c. Keep aside. We found the values tan square x and tan square y in terms of a, b, c. Also given. This one given we use also. This one we should use. Also given. A tan x equal to b tan y. A tan x equal to b tan y. Now he is asking a square by b square. So like ab term we apply a by b, by taking cross multiplication model, we can get here tan y by tan x. Tan y by tan x. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A square by b square. A square by b square is equal to tan square x by tan square by tan square x by tan. Here already we kept aside tan square x, we kept aside tan square. Substitute the values here. That implies a square by b square is equal to whatever the values we have substituted here, replace it. C minus b by tan square tan y. So this one you say first of all. C minus a by b minus c whole by c minus b by a minus c. Students, where I mistake here, b sin square y plus a cos. The value b sin square y plus a cos square y is equal to c. I had written. This is wrong. This is d. So d. This is d. You did not observe d. Here is it correct? It is c only. D plus d. So this is b minus d. It's okay. This is b minus d. It's okay. Now a square tan square by c minus a. This is b minus d. A minus b minus a. B minus d. C minus a. D minus a. Down. D minus. Yeah. Yes. This is not d minus a. Because c minus a whole square should be there, it is wrong. Now see the option a minus c into d minus a by b minus d into c minus d. See the option? Option is not there. Minus we have to take common a minus d. Yeah. In a minus b d and d minus. Yeah. We got first option. A minus common here and here also. Now a minus d into a minus c whole by d minus b given into d minus b or d minus c. So d minus b into d minus. Option 1. Tenth one, if tan square alpha into tan square beta, tan square alpha into tan square beta plus tan square beta, tan square alpha, tan square beta plus tan square beta, tan square gamma plus tan square gamma tan square alpha plus 2 tan square alpha tan square beta tan square gamma is equal to 1. Then find the value of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to dash. We can create the angle. Tan 45 into tan 45 how much? 1. So let us think alpha 45, beta 45. I am using shortcut. Without shortcut, sum is there. It becomes somewhat lengthy. If alpha equal to 45, beta equal to 45, and gamma is equal to 0. Don't put 90 in case of tan ratio is there. So tan alpha equal to 45, beta equal to 45, gamma equal to 0 degrees. 1 into 1, 1. Students, gamma I thought 0. So 0 into anything became 0. 0 into anything became 0. 0 into anything became 0. So whatever you are thinking, it is correct. Alpha equal to 45. So question is correct. Right. Now simply whatever he is asking, substitute there. Sin square alpha meaning sin square 45. Sin square 45 plus sin square 45 plus sin square 0. Did you remember the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square you say now. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 and 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2 plus this is 0. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. See the option, 1 is the answer. Third option. Third option. Eleventh question. This is logical thinking. Somewhat easy question only. Theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 4. And T1 is equal to tan theta power tan theta. T1 is equal to tan theta power tan theta. T2 is equal to tan theta power cot theta. Tan theta power cot theta. T3 is equal to cot theta power tan theta. Cot theta power tan theta. T4 is equal to cot theta power cot theta. According to options, we can say easily. Let us write the options. First option T1 greater than, T2 greater than, T3 greater than, T4. Absolutely, this is wrong. I will explain the reason. T4 greater than, T3 greater than, T1 greater than, T2. Third option T3 greater than, T1 greater than, T2 greater than, T4. Fourth option T2 greater than, T3 greater than, T1 greater than, T4. As I said, the reciprocal concept, students. What is the 1 by 2 whole square? Just a simple discussion. What is the 1 by 2 whole square? 1 by 4. It's okay, 0.25. What is the 1 by 2 power 1 by 2? 1 by root 2. Just before sum I said 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 meaning 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 value I said 0.707. 1 by 4 is 0.25. So whenever power is there, sir, why you are discussing this power concept? He is discussing with us between 0 and pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? 1. What is the value of cot pi by 4? 1. He is discussing with us between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 values becomes small values becomes big and big values become small. So what is the small values are here? So tan, according to our question, tan theta just theta is equal to example I am discussing tan 30 degrees UK because between 0 and pi by 4. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is less than 1. What is the value of cot 30, students? What is the value of cot 30? Root 3. So here you should observe that 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is lesser than 1. Root 3 is so large than 1 by root 3 meaning 1.732. 1 by root 3 meaning 1 by 1.732. 1 by 1.732. 1 by example 1 by 2 0.5. So this is large. So cot theta is large. Root 3 power root 3. It is so large. So T4 should be so large according to option. Just classical case. Understood? Root 3. Root 3 is large. So large power large because root 3 power root 3 meaning general number. So it becomes large. So root 3 power root 3. So cot T4 should be great according to options you observe. T4. This is T. Sir, why do you think T4? This is T4 is great. How many options are there? You don't know order. T4 is so great. T4 greater than like this. This is option verified. Now we can explain. What is T3? T3 meaning cot theta power tan theta. Because tan is somewhat less because root 3 power 1 by 3. Root 3 power root 3 is so great. Next, somewhat less. Next T1. T1 meaning tan theta power tan theta. Tan theta power tan theta meaning here like this. 1 by 0.7 like this. So root power root. It is also large value than T2. Sir, why you are using T2 here? Whenever tan is there, it becomes small. Whenever cot is there, it becomes great. Tan power tan means greater than tan power cot because the concept is nothing but 1 by root 2 power 1 by root 2. So here, no need to explain each and everything. Whatever the large value, just simply put it. Here you can observe one thing. Cot power cot is so large and tan power cot is so small. That's all. Questions are same in both material, students. How many questions are there in your material? 15, 19. In my material only 15 are. 2 arcs length, that one next question. 2 arcs Twelfth question. This is not at all trigonometry question. Simply given. This is the question in the chapter of circles, which you will be learning in second year 2B. 2 arcs of same length, 2 different circles. Subtend 2 arcs of same length of 2 different circles. Draw the circles. Different circles. 2 arcs of same length. Different circles subtend angle 25 and 70. This is the arc. This is the small arc. This is the arc 1. Arc 1. This is the center C. Put P and Q. This is R1. From center to any point on the circle is called as radius. This is R1. This arc is subtending 25 degrees at the center. Another circle is there. Take here. This is the center. C1. This is C2 for second circle. This is an arc. This arc is not like this. Like this. This arc is subtending 75 degrees. This is capital R and S. This is R2 and this is R2. Do you have any idea about the chapter of mensuration? What is the area of the sector? What is the length of arc? Pi by x by 360 into pi r square is the area of sector. X by 360 into 2 pi r is length of arc, and A is equal to L r by 2 and A is equal to r square theta by 2. All formula are there in 9th class simulation or 10th class simulation. Now we should discuss the mensuration formula. What he is asking, we should calculate the ratio of the radii. Ratio of the radii. So length of arc formula. Length of arc formula L is equal to r theta. That only L is equal to r theta. X by 360 into 2 pi r. Just read. L is equal to R1 is equal to, right, L by theta. Theta 1. R2 is equal to L by theta 2. Once you read the question, lengths are same now. Students, two arcs are same length given. Two same, that is why I am not discussing with you L1 and L2. Two arcs having same length. So L, that's all. Now R1 by R2 we should discuss. R1 by R2 is equal to L by theta 1 by L by theta 2. L by theta 1 by L by theta 2. Next step, R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1 and writing L by theta 2. What is meant by theta 2 here? 75 degrees. What is meant by theta 1 here? 25 degrees. 75 by 25 becomes 3 by 1 is the ratio. 3:1 given first half. 3:1 is the ratio. Good. Module 4 also is there. Module 4 how many notes are? 8. So let us finish module 12th one completed. 13th one, fkx is equal to f suffix kx is equal to 1 by k into sin power kx plus cos power kx, where k greater than or equal to 1, it is the condition. We can think simply it is 1. K greater than or equal to 1, f4x minus f6x, f4 of x minus f6 of x. Students, this is the mains 2014 question. So trigonometry bit, one bit is there in mains given in this chapter itself. No need to worry. Whenever sin cos are there, put x equal to 0 or 90. You will get, put x is equal to 0. I mean 0 degrees. So fkx here 1 by k into sin power 0. I mean sin 0 power k. 0 power anything 0. Next cos 0 power k. 1 power k. Students, 1 power anything is 1. 1 power 2, 1 power 3, 1 power 4 anything, it becomes 1. So now you should calculate f of 4x minus f of 6x. That meaning simply substitute the value 4 instead of k and value 6 instead of k. Take LCM and do the sum. 4 and 6 LCM 12. This 3 times, so this 2 times. So answer is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is both of here. 14th question. This is also mains 2013 question. The expression tan A by 1 minus cot A. The expression tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan is equal to dash can be written as. To verify the options here, I am writing options also. Sin A cos A plus 1 into secant A into cosecant A plus 1. Third one, tan A plus cot A. Fourth one, secant A plus cosecant A. Students, I am putting shortcut. Without putting shortcuts, take LCM also, we can do the sum. Now, he is not at all discussing about real number or anything. He is not discussing with us. So, we can put A is equal to 45. Don't put 45 because 1 minus 1 becomes 0. In that case, put A is equal to 135 degrees. A is equal to 135. Then minus becomes plus. Tan 135 value minus 1. You should get an idea. Tan 90 plus 45 minus cot 45 is minus 1. By 1 plus 1. Of course, it is minus 1. Minus of minus becomes plus. In the similar way, this is minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 we got. It becomes minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So, we should get the value minus 1 after substituting in options. Secant A into cos A, of course it is 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Wrong. Is this cos A or cosec A? C by SCC. No, it is a sin A. Sin A. Sin 45 into cos 45, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, it is not minus 1. Wrong. Second option you see, secant A into cosecant A. Secant 45 into cosecant 45. Secant 45 root 2, cosecant 45 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is, sorry, 135. Secant 135 is minus root 2 into cosecant for 135 plus root 2. Minus root 2 into plus root 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. That's all. That is the option. Verify second option. Verify second option. Secant 135 into cosecant 135. Yes. You should get the value, you should get an idea regarding the values. So, this is minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1, verified second one. Did you do method, Hema? This one. By taking LCM also we can get I think 1 minus 2. 15th question, this is IMP question, AIEEE 2012. AIEEE meaning mains only. All India Engineering Entrance Examination. Until 2012, the name was like this. AIEEE. After 2013, the name has changed as mains. JEE mains and JEE advanced. Until 2012, it was AIEEE and IIT separate. In triangle PQR, here you should observe the concept that in triangle PQR, 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q. 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q equal to 6 and 4 sin Q. Next, 3 cos P. 3 cos P plus 4 sin Q is equal to 1. Then acute angle of R. Acute angle of R. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, pi by 6 and pi by 6. Students, here 50-50 options are there, 50-50 chance. Sir, what is the 50-50, sir? He is asking acute angle. Acute meaning below 90. So this is above 90, 135. This is above 90, 120. These two options are absolutely wrong. Now you can think. Of course, you should do the sum. Now This is 1, this is 2. Squaring and adding you write. 1 square plus 2 square. Here I am writing a direct step. 3 sin b plus 4. Okay. First step I will write. 3 sin b. 3 sin b plus 4 cos q whole square plus 3 cos b plus 4 sin q whole square is equal to 6 square plus 1 square becomes 37. Now I am writing, right, understand here 3 sin p whole square becomes 9 sin square b. Here 3 cos p whole square becomes 9 cos square b. You can write 9 plus this is a 16 because 4 square plus here 2 these are 6 4 are 24. Take common 24 here into sin p cos q plus cos p sin q. Sin p cos q plus cos p sin q is equal to 37. अरे बाबू फार्मूला a 2ab फार्मूला 2ab 2 3s are 6 6 was 20 understood. Sin p cos 24 take a common among these two terms. Now 9 plus 16 how much? 25. 25 taken that side, 37 minus 25 gives 12. 24 into. Students, I set up a formula regarding compound angles. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b formula sin of a plus b. So sin of b plus q is equal to here 12. So sin of b plus q is equal to sin of b plus q is equal to 12 by 24. Sin of b plus q is equal to 12 by 24 we got. So sin of b plus q is equal to 1 by 2. Here one thing you should observe. 1 by 2 meaning for how many degrees sin theta is equal to 1 by 2? 30. Don't write, wait. Don't write. Because he is asking about r, acute angle of r. If you write p plus q is equal to 30, r is equal to 150. Option is there. It is wrong because he is asking acute angle. We have a formula that sin theta is equal to sin 180 minus theta. So don't think it is simple 30. This is up to sin 150. 180 minus 30 becomes sin 180 minus theta becomes sin theta only. So p plus q is equal to write as 150 degrees. Sir, why you are asking for acute angle? He is asking acute angle r. Therefore, r is equal to angle r is equal to, now you will get 30 degrees. It is 5 6. Could not understand. P plus q is equal to 150. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles, that means very slow, very less angle. So sum of angles 170 150 it's slow. This is separate curve. Good. Give your sigma r is equal to 1 to 10 cos cube r pi by 3. First one minus 1 by 8. Second one minus 7 by 8. Third one minus 9 by 8. Fourth one 1 by 8. Cos cube r pi by 3. So everything you get cos cube. Cos cube pi by 3 plus cos cube 2 pi by 3 plus cos cube 3 pi by 3 like that. How many angles? Plus 1 cos cube 10 pi by 3. Calculate values. Cos 180 minus theta becomes cos theta. Cos cube 60. Can you see the values? Cos cube 1 into 60, 2 into 60 like this. Cos cube 60 plus cos cube 120 plus cos cube 180 like that. Cos cube pi by 3, it's okay. Cos cube 2 pi by 3 plus cos cube, this is 5. Next step, cos cube 4 pi by 3 meaning 5 plus pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 meaning 5 plus pi by 3. Next, cos cube 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 can be understood as 2 pi minus pi by 3. 3 gives us 6 minus 5. Next, cos cube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 pi by 3. 6 pi by 3 meaning 2 pi plus cos cube 7 pi by 3. Cos cube 7 pi by 3 meaning 2 pi plus pi by 3 plus cos cube 8 pi by 3. This is 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 3. You are unable to understand what I am writing. Pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3, everything. And converting. Cos cube 8 pi by 3. 8 pi by 3 can be understood as 2 pi minus pi by 3. Cos cube 9 pi by 3. 9 pi by 3 meaning 3 pi. Cos cube 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 can be understood as 3 pi plus pi by 3. Now, cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. That one we can understand. Cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta. Pi plus meaning minus cos. So cos cube pi by 3 minus cos get cancelled. Next, like that any cancellation is there. Cos 360 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Of course it is plus. This is 1. Next, students, cos 2 pi plus it is also simply cos pi by 3. Cos 3 pi minus 3 pi. First one, cos cube 2 pi by 3. Cos cube 2 pi by 3. Can you say what is the value of cos 120? Cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube we can write. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus cos pi meaning minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. Cos cube pi plus pi by 3. What is the value of cos 180 plus theta? Minus cos theta. Minus cos pi by 3 whole cube. Minus cos pi by 3 here. Minus cos theta. Minus cos pi by 3 whole cube. Minus cos pi by 3 meaning minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Cos, students here, cos 2 pi meaning it is nothing but 0. Cos 0 minus theta. Cos theta, there is no minus. Cos 360 minus theta, cos theta, cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 60 value 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube. Now cos cube 2 pi it is 1. Because cos 2 pi meaning cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. Now this is cos 0 plus pi by 3. Cos cube pi by 3, this is 1 by 2 whole cube. And 3 pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi meaning 2 rotations. 2 pi plus pi. 2 pi meaning 0. Pi minus pi by 3. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So cos this is minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Cos cube 3 pi is nothing but cos cube 2 pi plus pi. You should get an idea regarding the LR diagrams. 3 pi is nothing but 2 pi plus pi. 2 pi meaning 0, 0 plus pi. Cos pi value cos 180. Cos 90 plus 90 minus sin 90, it is minus 1. Now cos this is 2 pi plus pi. Pi plus pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3 plus of minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Now you observe is anything, get cancelled them solve. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1. That's all. Now this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. Minus 2 by 8 minus 1. Take LCM. Minus 2 minus 8 whole cube. 16th question we given third option minus 9 by 8 we got. Once observe, is there any mistake? Minus 9 by 8 we got the option. So minus 8 minus 4. Cancellation also. Yes, here. Not into, but this is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. This is 1. Okay. Now this one get cancel. Yeah, minus 1 by 8. Now taking LCM minus third option. Between 5/4 and 5/2, 90 we can think. Students, did you observe 19th question? Wherever we faced in AIEEE 2000, mains 2014, same question asked in mains 2013. 90. Students, do you have IP textbook? Open it. Open the IP textbook. 17th question. P is equal a relation theta such that sin theta minus cos. Open exercise 6a in IP. Q is equal theta such that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Be two sets. Exercise 6a open. 6a. Root 2 sin the ILP sum is there. IPA. Open page number 231. Open page number 231 IPE. Read the question from the case. Whatever IMP symbolic is there. Third, example 3. Example 8. Students, open example 8 question, page number 231 IPE. Here, you read the question. Here I am writing the options. P is subset of Q, comma P not equal to 5. 5 meaning, do you have any idea about sets? Second one, Q is not subset of P. Third one, P is not subset of Q. Fourth one, P is equal to Q. Read the question now. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2. Okay, cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Next, then prove that
cos theta minus sin theta
is equal to
root 2 sin theta.
Okay. In the similar way you can do. In the similar way, what he is asking? This is correct. Now do sin theta minus cos theta what I have written student root 2 cos theta correct, sin theta plus cos theta root 2 sin theta. Here it is okay. There may be change. No problem. What is the same question, same concept? Whatever the concept used there, use the concept and do the sum. Now, what he is discussing with us? Show that equal to this, but meaning it is nothing but this. So P is equal to Q according to IB question. You can do. Shall I say model? How should you do? Students, sin theta minus cos theta taken that side. It becomes sin theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into cos theta. Multiply with root 2 minus 1 both sides. You will get the same answer. So whatever the formula we are using for this, same formula you are using. So P is equal to Q is the option. according to 231 page number IP question. Now 18th question, last question. For any data belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. For any data belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. 18th question. For any data belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4. 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin power 6 theta equal to dash. 13 minus. Open again IP. Good morning, sir. IP page number. IP concept another sign. See that. This 30 is there. 30 is the relation. So 3 into sin minus 4 plus 6 plus 4 into this. 4 sin. See the question. Boy, read the question. IP. Page number you say. Page number how much? Page number 234. Roman number 3. Roman number 3. First one. Second question. Read the question. Third one. 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 theta plus is equal to 30. See this question. As I said there, IP question. Now can you say here 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus he is asking here 4 sin power 6 theta is equal to. Now you can understand this 4 here. If you multiply with 4, this becomes 4 cos power 6 theta. Taken that side, it becomes 30 minus 4 cos power 6. The process is the same. Whatever the process I said in those days, same process you should do. But you should write here according to our option. 4th option is right, but 4th option he did not give properly. 13 minus 4 cos power 6 theta, you correct it. Option 4 only given. Wait. Yeah, 4 only given, but change it. So that in your option 30 minus 4 how much? Cos power 6 theta he should give, but cos square he given. It is not. Because process is same, there is no question of angle. If you put angle 90 also, it becomes directly 0. Students simply put theta is equal to 90 because between pi by 4 and pi by 2 is the pi by 4 condition you read? Okay, no problem. No need to discuss about the angle. The process you can put 0 or anything. You put 0 here, 3 into 3 plus 6 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 13. So 13 like this. You should change the option. 13 minus 4 cos 4, 6 is there, not process. That's all. Okay, students, successfully have completed level 3. In tomorrow class, we can discuss level 4 also. After completion of level 4, we will discuss about another bit is there. 19th question is same question of students. 19th question is the same of 2014 mains. 2014 or 2013. This is mains 2019. Same question repeated also. F4x minus F6x is equal to 1 by 12 already have done. That only this one. So repeated question directly you can put tick mark, otherwise do the sum. Let us going to discuss level 4 in next class, that is in tomorrow.